Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this creepy smile on Dress to Impress. So we're going to get this fur hat and we're going to color it to 42424. And for the position, we're going to put Y at 2.29, Z 0.52, and rotate the X to 0.42. We're going to scale it all the way down to a 0. That is for kind of like the mouth here. Then we're going to need this halo, and we're going to color it 272727. For this one, position the Y at 0.09, the Z at 0.53, rotate the X to 0.48, and scale it to 0.17, like so. Then you're going to want to grab the thick headband in your skin color. So I use white for my skin color here. Position the X to 0.51 and the Y and Z to 0.45 for both. Whoops. Then you are going to rotate the X to 0.58, the Y to 0.75, the Z to 0.25, and we're going to scale it to 0.19, like so. I think I might need to remove the contour here. Wait, I don't think that's the one I used. You know what? It's fine. Then I am going to add this mask here in the color 272727. And then for this one, we are going to position the Y to 0.41 and the Z as well, the X to 0.43, and we're going to scale it to 0.36. Okay, next we are going to add the Style Showdown crown in this color BAA 68E for all of it. Then for this one, position the Y at 0.27, Z 0.43, rotate the X to 0.48, and scale it all the way down to 0. I think I might move this a little bit to the front here. Wait, why is the rotation so off? Hold on. Oh, sorry. No wonder. Sorry, the X rotation at 0.48 and then scale it down. I don't know why. I thought it was Y for some reasons. Okay, 0.27 and then 0.43. You know what? I'll just do 0.42. Then we are going to need this flower crown here with the thorns. So we're going to color 1, 2, and 3 black. And then for the fourth one, you're going to color it the same as before, BAA 68E. So position the X to 0.51, Y to 0.35, Z to 0.49, whoops. Rotate the X to 32, Y at 25, and we're going to scale it down to 0.02. And that is your creepy smile all done. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!